You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood Yoruba actress Yetunde Bakare has disclosed several reasons why the likes of Iyabo Ojo, Mercy Aigbe and other Nigerian actors are always in competition with one another in a Saturday Beats interview. As indicated by the mother of one, several actors fake their lifestyle so that they can display to the world that they are doing fine.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.